Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna make this bloom today. This is gonna be the easiest possible bloom I can show you how to make. Let's go ahead and get our resin in here. I'm using Bondcraftor. I got 20 grams out for my white. My resin was 92 degrees, I think, when I got that out for the white. Okay. Let's get some resin in this one too. All right, let's get our bubbles out. Okay, I've got Deco Rom colors. This is navy. A new bottle I just opened because I love this color so much. Blueberry. Got some turquoise. Oh. And I also have some fuchsia. Okay, let's mix these up. Wait, let's go ahead and get our white in. I'm using Eder Art pigment. Okay, usually when you, it usually has a bubble first thing. I don't want to drop a bubble in there, I want a full drop. Okay, should I do two? I'm gonna try two. Oh, there's that bubble. Okay, 2 little drops. I usually do it with 1 and get an amazing bloom. Okay, make sure you scrape your side. Okay, let's mix this up. I keep seeing something in there. You know, this is pulling in as I'm still messing with it. Okay. Now to torch this, you know, I just put alcohol ink in it. There will be little alcohol fumes floating around. I blow them away, and I have a torch that don't work. I almost thought I had another one that didn't work. Okay. All right, let's do this. Got my cup. I'm just gonna do a circle. I'm gonna do kind of thick lines if I can get it to pour out that way. Then I'm gonna run it together. Oh, and then I made a drop. Okay, let's try to do this one We'll try to do thick again. Whoa, that might be too thick. Okay, we'll stop it right there. First things first, I swiped something through that. I don't know what I did. I'll have to watch my video back and see what I did. But see how it's blooming already? Now, I do this with the 1 drop usually. The 2 drops could absolutely be too much and sink. But we're gonna find out. If so, this would be an easy, super way for you at home to make a gorgeous bloom. You can make them as gifts, make them for yourself. Let's go ahead and make some lines in here. I'm not going down all the way. And I'm going to do another one and only going a little way down. Same with over here. Nice. I have to decide if I'm going to make a swirl or not. Which of course I'm going to. I just always hesitate making swirls. If you've seen any of my videos, you usually see me pipe in my petals with a piping bag. But I think I am going to use a toothpick. And I'm going to do the most minimal line circle I can do. So I don't know if you can see me okay or not. See where I pull into? I think I'm going to do it a little before that, or right there. Maybe 1, 2. See how that looks. Same with this, but I'm going to start at the line now. 1, 2. Well, that might have been 3. I was trying to hit that white, so I went ahead and went through it. Okay, guys, that's it. Simple. I know this works perfectly with 1 drop. Hold on, I'll show you. Okay, I say that because this is my 1 drop. Sorry about my camera moving. I was over there messing around. Let me get it to stop. Hold on. Okay. This is with 1 drop. I had mica powder on the outside. I don't know if you can see any sparkles. The mica powder was floating on top of my resin. But I used about the same colors. If you're like, why do you have so many of these coasters? It's because I think they're beautiful and I can have them sitting around semi-matching coasters in my house. And you can do the same thing. If you ever have any questions about anything, just let me know. I will happily answer to the best of my ability. All right, guys, I'll let this cure up and then we'll put a pretty back on it. You know, my other coasters had a black back, and I don't have much room for a black back. But you know, the sides, which is the crystal edge, this is a crystal resin art mold. This side will have, you know, if I do a pretty color, it'll show on the side. So, and this one will just put on a nice color. So awesome. I will see you guys in a little while. Bye. Okay, I'm just gonna mix in some of this casting craft pigment, but it's blue. So I can get a nice opaque blue. Let me get some of my ocean white. It's always great for opaqueness. Is that a word, opaqueness? Well, regardless, I use it. Okay. Okay, that's great. I'm gonna add in a tiny bit of turquoise color acrylic ink by Liquitex. Okay, here we go. Nice. I gotta make sure I have enough to fill up my little one. Oh, and drip it everywhere. I didn't mix up a ton of it. Now I could have poured a lot more resin and filled this up, but I don't need to, you know. Okay, guys, I'll let this cure up and we'll take a look at it. I didn't put it in the vacuum chamber, so that's why I got so many bubbles. But I didn't need to, you know. Nothing that I can't control. All right, guys. See you soon. All right, I think these are done. Oh, I'm scared. All right, you ready? Here we go. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that. Awesome. I think that is gorgeous. Now, as long as my big one turns out that pretty, goodness gracious. Wow, I love it. Okay, let's see. This is my crystal resin art mold. All right, guys. Oh, I'm nervous. You ready? Oh, I love it. Oh, that's beautiful too. Ah, wow. I love that so much, both of them. Oh my goodness. I don't know which one I like better. Man, this one just, there's something about it. I love it. Sweet, guys. All right, I'm gonna get some pictures of these. And just know you can make these at home, you know? I'll help with any advice I possibly can. All you have to do is message me. And give it a chance. You know, email me your results. I'd love, love, love to see them. Sweet, guys. All right. I'm gonna post some pictures. See ya.